Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to be looking at volatility 75 1S index, volatility 50 1S index, and volatility 25 1S index. All right, so if you're trading this pair, stay tuned to this video is over, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join the community. Okay, so I'm currently on 75 index, 75 1S index, 24 hours time frame. If you look at the structures of the market, it was bearish. Notice price was bearish. None of the highs were broken. Notice price was bearish, creating highs. And then recently price did what? Turned. And then look at it. Price continuously creating the highs, maintaining the highs. But when this high got broken, what happened? Price changed, smashed out these particular highs. You can see it. So before it changed, what happened? There was an equal low created. See it, there was an equal low created. Price did what? Create an equal low, shift up, taking out this high, went all the way to this particular highs. So where is price actually dropping to? You can see price trying to make a drop. It will drop from here because you cannot just from here start going because the next zone is going to is this particular highs. But before it will push all the way to this particular highs, it needs to make a retracement and then continuation. This is how price move. All right. So price, I'm expecting around this particular zones for price to come back to this particular low and then make a pullback, wait for confirmation, and you join the buyers back to the upside because now price has given us that it's currently changing to the upside. So this is currently on the 4 hours time frame. You notice price make an impulsive move from this particular zones, pushing up, taking out this high. This is recent high drawn from the daily time frame. Price took it out and then started making a retracement. If you go down to the 4 hours time frame, there's on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that price. You can see clearly that price is trying to make a retracement to the downside. But before you can join any selling opportunity, also you wait for price to clear up this low because this is the low that actually did what creates a move, a W pattern that actually pushed price all the way to this particular highs. And now price come here, what happened? Price rejected. Come back again, trying to make a rejection. So if price actually do this, boom, you know that this is actually an equal low continuations. Well, if price didn't do that and eventually take out this low, you know that this is what a continuation to the downside. Sorry, this continuation to the downside. You can sell down, so you can sell all the way to this particular high, to this particular low. You see it, you can sell all the way to this particular low. Massive profits will be made here on the 75 1S index. So if I go down to the 50 index, this is 50 1S index. Let's look at what the 50 1S index is doing. You can see clearly price was still on a downtrend and price started changing characters and then started making uptrend move. Created this low, which price need to come back to test before any continuation of uptrend will happen. And then before price will start doing that, look at this. This is the high that actually created an impulsive move to get this low. So price need to come back to this particular high. That is necessary. All right, for price to come back here because this is the high that actually created these lows that got smashed out by this move. So price need to come back to this particular high. Then this is where you might be taking your shorting opportunity back to this particular low. So you might be taking shorting opportunity around this particular zones and then back to this low because price might definitely come back to this particular low here. So price might definitely come back to this particular low. Once this high is being taken out, look, I can extend it all the way to this particular high is it. So price will have to come back and then give you confirmations that it's dropping and this is what I'm expecting. So if price eventually, sorry, if ever price eventually smashed it, because you have to be patient to wait for that, price eventually smashed it and then came back inside, then the selling is still active back to this particular low. So there is it. And I'll be looking out for on the 25 honest index. Let's see how it goes on 25 honest index. See 25 honest index. Let me go down to the 24 hours time frame. Let's look at the overall trend. You can see price clearly, price was on a downtrend and then created these highs, which price need to come back to test it before any pullback will start happening, which price is actually heading back to. You see, before price started heading back to that particular zone, what happened? There was an equal low created at this zone, which price also, with that price creating an equal low, there will not be an impulsive move. Price need to create an equal low before there will be an impulsive move. So taking out this high is telling us that price need to come back to this particular height. So what I'm now expecting is that if price come back here, same thing, if price come back here and then if price come back here, give me a confirmations that you want to reject back. I'm selling down to this particular low that actually caused this impulsive move. So if price come back here, give me confirmation, pull back, come back again, pull back, and then take out the recent low that there will be created here. I will know that that is a change of character. Price will have to drop all the way to this particular low, which causes that impulsive move, which from here, price can also continuously buying if this is currently an uptrend. But if this is an equal high that price created here, you notice it might come back, smash out this low, and then come back to this particular low that actually created all these moves that got to this high. You see it. So this is my expectation on the 25 1S index. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to link to subscribe to the channel. All right. And don't forget to share to your traders, your synthetic traders as well. Okay, take care. Bye for now.